Welcome to the third round, people. It's amazing. These are all these beautiful people here. We have Gabriel, Stella, Bonkoy, Ate Yankee, and Lee. Come in.
Wala pa.
I'm a steal. No, I'm a steal.
Wala pa. Uy, kaluoy na ba ning mga people dili pa to man dili.
Meow 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 meow. Editor, play music.
Isa naman ni. Sir.
What is a good editing app?
Dilo, paano sir? Isir ko magtarong. I have to open it already.
Everyone, hurry up.
Damage ang people na Uy, pagbutang mo.
Emotional damage, people.
Trader. Yeah, okay, yeah. Pagbutang mo.
We are here in Ormoc City. Please do not come to this location, please. I will literally hire an entire USA Army.
Sakto ang role na lang sa traitor kay dili siya mo kill pero mag-guess siya kung kinsang gihatagan og protection pero iya tagtangon.
Oh, wait. This is a new role, guys. It's called traitor. This is like mafia, but I have no idea. What's the name of this game? Name it.
Wala akong vision. Sa name na game.
Name it.
Mafia Mystery?
Mafia Mystery, people.
know.
You can play this at home. This is family friendly. Right?
Very careful di siya maklaro kasi traitor na.
I was a sad face. I was a sad face. Meow, 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 meow. Wait, my viewers are from USA. Let me see.
Oh, now your viewers are USA.
I have some.
Hala, limbungan siya.
Mostly boys subscribe to me. I saw in my YouTube studio. And studio. You don't even know how to scramble properly. Guys, that's my Kuya's Rubik's Cube. And this is a random cousin, brother.
I know it, but I don't understand.
You guys can only see my role.
Don't guys, why are you having it? Ang traitor man na siya magtangtang sa protection na gibutang sa healer pero iya ra po guess kinsang gi-protect.
Yeah, so that he will like kanang
Dili ko ka kay balo.
like if imagine you're the traitor unya nang like nay na kill pero ang healer nang protect niya unya ikaw wag tang
Ikaw magtangtang sa
yeah, it's like a traitor citizen,
Yes.
right? Look at this beautiful view, everyone. It's so bright.
Ay, balik. Have to open by. Wait lang. Pili ka.
Piwi.
Close. Gab, daduha man na. Iuli.
Alright. Okay. Just like close your eyes. I'm gonna open this for you guys. Do we open?
Hala, makita na kong iuli. I saw yours.
This is my role.
Dili ta pa sa ako. Dali. Bailo ta. Mag-video ba ya?
You have to video. Don't say anything. These are my beautiful This is family friendly. Only one of my videos are not family friendly. Yeah, say wake up traitor. Here you go. Don't say anything. Cause this is family.
I'm only family friendly.
Okay.
Wait.
Video.
Sige na, pakatol ka.
Everyone sleep now. Trader, wake up.
Uy, konta!
I killer, wake up. Wait. Dito, ingon.
Kinsay mo pat yun.
Kita impat yun. Okay. Go back to sleep. Healer, wake up. Kinsa imo protect. Ano ba yung healer? Kinsa imo protector. Okay, go back to sleep. Sheriff, wake up. kinsa ang imo suspect? Okay, go back to sleep. Traitor sa manang?
Oh, traitor.
Traitor, wake up. Asa si imo ipakuha ni traitor?
Kinsa imong tangtangan o protection.
Kinsa imo tangtangon ang protection? Go back to sleep. Everyone, wake up now.
Ah, what a beautiful morning, guys!
Breaking news!
Oh my God!
What is it? Who died?
It's amazing.
Wait up, wait up.
If that's if the person dies, then he dies.
Kuya Dongkoy died.
Oh my gosh, and then what happened?
Sili.
Sili?
Wait.
Wala na, kasi mo sa nagkikiyang sa gabas. Where's your cell phone?
He's a suspect.
Ayun, ingon.
Kinsa sa